very cool experiment for you guys. We're gonna do the balloon, baking soda, and vinegar experiment. For this experiment, you're gonna need a water bottle, a funnel, vinegar, a spoon, baking soda, and a balloon. Now we're gonna start the experiment. So first, you're gonna get the vinegar and pour some of the vinegar into the water bottle, but make sure it's one fourth of a cup. And then you're gonna get a balloon and the funnel, and then get the balloon and attach it to the funnel just like this.
But make sure it's really tight.
Yeah, very tight.
Then you have to put in
2 spoons of baking soda, and then take it out carefully, but make sure it doesn't spill. And then attach it onto the top of the bottle, and then you should start pouring. So yeah, just leave that in there. So let's put this. But we're gonna do all of this for you. Put all of this. And just watch the magic.
I'm gonna put it all in. Oh, it's blowing up!
It's blowing up!
Wow, it's blowing up!
It's blowing up, guys!
Look at it!
I still have a lot more. Guys, look! Guys, look! Look at this!
It's exploding inside of the bubble. I mean, inside of the balloon.
Guys, who do you think is bigger? I think it's mine.
I think it's mine.
Let's just look, compare it. Mine is like very big. Mine is way bigger than yours.
Mine is bigger.
Guys, do you know why the balloon blew up? It's because the vinegar mixed in with the baking soda, and it made a gas called carbon dioxide, and that's what made the balloon able to blow up.
Yeah.
Ah, look at this. This is fun.
Okay. This is so bad. Do you want to do a balloon fight?
Sure, bring it on.
Bring it on! He totally won.
This is fun, but that's all we have for you guys today. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to know whenever we post a new video.
Bye!
Balloon fight.